Okay, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to be corning and smoking this duck here. I've got my young fella in. He's going to show us how easy it actually is to inject these ducks. So away you go mate, we'll get into it. As per any bit of meat we do, it's always important to get all around the bones and do every part of the meat that we can. Okay, so the young fella's just about finished injecting this duck, and what we're going to do, we're going to chuck it in the tub to rest in the fridge overnight, and we'll get back tomorrow with what I'm going to coat the duck in. Cheers guys. Okay, we're back. I've had the duck out of the brine now for about an hour. I've sat it back in the fridge, pat it all dry. Now I'm just going to, we're going to stuff it with a bit of onion. I've got 2 small quartered onions. I'll get the young fella to start stuffing that up the back side of the duck, and we'll go from there. I've also got a little bit of garlic that I'm going to place inside there as well. A little bit of garlic powder that I'm going to place around the outside of the duck. And then I've got a little bit of a base that I'm going to stick over it as well. And that's just made up of honey, soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Beautiful. Now I'll just grab this bit of crushed garlic here, about a tablespoon. I'm just going to stick that inside the duck as well. There you go, a bit of garlic powder. Just going to sprinkle that over. And I'll get the young fella here, and he's just going to baste a little bit of this sauce over the duck before we put him in the smoker. So while he's continuing to do that, I'll go fire the smoker up, and we'll get ready to put him in. Cheers. Okay, so I've got the smoker up to 150 degrees Celsius. That's what I'm going to cook the duck at today. I'll get the young fella to stick the duck in, and then after that I'm just going to get a little bit of butter, and we're going to place that in there for the cooking process. Just put the neck end up here. Neck end, yeah. We'll get the meat probes, stick them in. Just want to get them, the internal temperature of the duck to about 63 degrees, and then I'm going to put a baste over it, and we'll cook it through to 73, and hopefully we'll have some mighty fine duck. So I've got the meat probes in the duck. Just going to get the young fella to stick a dollop of butter up the chook's backside again, and we'll go from there. We'll get back to you when we start basting the chook. So we've got the duck up to an internal temperature of 63 degrees. I'm going to get my little mate here to chuck a bit of baste on the duck, and then we'll push it out to 73 degrees and I'll crank him up to about 160. So I'll get you to do that for me, please, mate. The pellets today I was using was the Premium Texas blend from GMG, and the base is made up of a Sweet Baby Ray's and a Killer Hogs vinegar sauce. How good does that duck look? Young fella's doing a top job there, helping me out for the day. So yeah, we'll get back to you in probably 10 or 15 minutes when that chooks up the temperature, and we'll let it rest for a while, and once again we'll get ready to carve him up and have a look. Okay, I've got the duck here and it's been resting for half an hour. We're going to open him up and we'll have a bit of a taste test. I've got my trusty little mate next to me here. He's dying to get in amongst it. There you have it, folks. Some nice, beautiful, juicy duck. And I guess since the young fella's waiting so eagerly, we better give him a little taste. Yeah, mate. Let's have a go at this.
Beautiful, top job, Dad.
That's not too bad. Alright guys, until next time, we'll do something else. Cheers.